Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
There are 4 types of bellies, which is yours and how to get rid of it. It has been scientifically proven that stress can make you gain weight. Moreover, there are other health issues, which can cause weight gain. Most of the excess fat accumulates in the abdominal area. There are different types of belly fat, and knowing what type yours can help you lose weight faster. There are a few types of belly, and these include the following. 4 types of belly. Low stomach. If your stomach is low, this indicates that you stress too much. In fact, stress triggers bloating and digestion issues, so this belly type is quite easy to be reduced. All you should do is relax more and stop stressing about trivial things. Moreover, you should stop eating junk food and drinking too much coffee or any caffeinated drinks. Make sure you don't skip meals and eat food in smaller amounts. Very low stomach. This type of belly indicates that you are a hardworking person. Moreover, people who eat the same food and eat while standing up are more prone to have this type of belly. Hence, the best solution is to have a balanced diet. Additionally, have colorful and healthy meals and do more exercise. Flat tire stomach. This type of belly is associated with a sedentary lifestyle. Fortunately, it is quite easy to reduce this belly. You should avoid sugary foods, pasta, and white bread. Instead, switch to healthy and balanced foods. Bloated stomach. If you have a swollen and bloated stomach, it probably denotes that you have indigestion or gas. This issue is common for both overweight and skinny people. It also happened due to food intolerance, including alcohol, yeast in pastries and muffins, gluten, and wheat. Hence, you should avoid these foods. You have no excuses now. Getting rid of the stubborn belly fat is easier than ever. Simply follow the steps and tips and incorporate some effective exercise and you will have a flat and toned belly.